Check out this smart indoor camera from Omkii. It has motion sensor, it can track by sound, and you can even track during patrol mode. The app is super intuitive, and within a few clicks, you can fully customize it, or you can set it and forget it. Super easy. It's available on iOS and Android. Let me show you how to set it up. So first you go into the app, and when you add the camera, you want to make sure you select a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. Once you find your 2.4 gigahertz network that's already connected on your device, you go into your app and you hit the open button. And this network will open. Enter the password. And the QR code will pop up on screen. Now, just place the QR code around 8 inches from the lens of the smart indoor camera. So you'll hear the camera say, add device success, and you hit, I heard the prompt on screen, and that's it. Your camera's added. You can store all your security footage on the SD card or use the Omkii Cloud solution for longer term storage. These prices are amazing at any price point. $49.99, available at omkii.com. They have lights, they have the smart indoor camera, outdoor camera, a doorbell camera, and get this, a smart lock that's $159 that you can open with your fingerprint, a key, or right from the app. I mean, they have a whole ecosystem that you can control from your Android or iOS device. To learn more, go to omkii.com. That's OMKII.com.